Good morning. If you're looking for a breakfast that's both incredibly delicious and powerfully nutritious, you've come to the right place. Today we're making a green-protein smoothie bowl. This bowl combines clean protein, healthy fats, fiber, and powerful antioxidants. It's the perfect balanced breakfast to keep you feeling full and energized. It also supports muscle recovery after a workout and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. Let's look at the simple, wholesome ingredients you'll need. We'll start with 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. Next, a frozen banana. This is key for a thick, ice cream-like texture. And half an avocado for those wonderful healthy fats. Next, we have a generous handful of fresh spinach, 1 scoop of plant-based protein powder, and a tablespoon of fiber-rich chia seeds. Now for the easy part. Simply add all of your ingredients into the blender. We'll start with the almond milk to help everything blend smoothly, followed by the frozen banana, the creamy avocado, and that vibrant spinach. Don't worry, the flavor is completely hidden by the other ingredients. Finally, add your scoop of protein powder and the chia seeds. Now secure the lid and let's blend it up. Blend on high until it's perfectly smooth and creamy. You're looking for a thick, luscious texture that holds its shape. Just look at that beautiful, vibrant green color. Carefully pour the thick smoothie into your favorite bowl. Use a spatula to get every last delicious drop. Smooth out the surface with the back of a spoon. It's like creating a perfect canvas for our toppings. Now for the fun part. This is where you can get creative. I'm adding some fresh blueberries for a burst of sweetness and beautiful color contrast. And for a little crunch and extra nutrients, a sprinkle of pumpkin seeds and some hemp seeds. The combination of textures makes it so satisfying. And there you have it, a stunning, nutrient-dense green protein smoothie bowl. It's a breakfast that not only tastes amazing but makes you feel amazing too. Grab a spoon and enjoy this moment of pure wellness. If you like healthy, delicious breakfasts, try this tomorrow and let me know in the comments how you feel.